Now, when we talk about communicating what an object actually is in 3 dimensions, you'll find that one view, like we're looking at right now, is not enough to know everything that we might want to know about the object. So for example, this right here, we are looking at it from a front view. But if you want to know what all the other shapes are of this object, what you can do is rotate it to get other views. For example, this would be the right view. We could also get the bottom view. We could also rotate it the other way to get the left view. And then we could rotate it this way to get the top view. Now, all of these different views are perpendicular to each other. And the way we refer to a view that tells you all of these perpendicular views of the object, we call these orthographic views. Ortho refers to that perpendicular idea that we're looking at this thing from a few different perpendicular directions. And the way we think about positioning these different views of the object is by actually sliding them around a bowl, as I've done here. So the left view, we would rotate around this way and look at it like that. The bottom view, we would rotate it around the bowl and look at it like that. And what you'll actually see when we start generating these orthographic views of the object is that we're going to place all of these different views in these positions relative to the front view of the object. And what we're going to be doing is creating these objects using Onshape. Now, one thing to notice is that we had 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 views of this object. There are some objects that don't necessarily require us to have 5 different orthographic views of the object. Here's an example. Okay, imagine that this was just a regular cylinder, clean with no special parts to it, unlike this can of beans, which kind of has this edge and this top and things like that. So this is our front view of the can. If we rotate it up the bowl, you can see that that side is a circle, and that this side is also a circle. And really, if I take this and I rotate it this way, we still kind of have the same shape. This is a rectangle from this view. So some objects don't actually require all 5 of those views to get an idea of what it looks like. And so we're going to take a look at that within Onshape in just a bit.